B inverse matrices. The inverse of A is denoted by A power of -1, or we call it as A inverse. Remember that A inverse cannot be 1 over A. Dia tak sama Ini bukannya 1 over A. Ini bermaksud A inverse. There are two methods to obtain inverse of matrices. We have first adjoint matrix, and second we can use AB equals to KI. And please note that when determinant of matrix equals to 0, so that matrix is a singular, means that matrix doesn't have inverse. We go to the first method. First method is finding inverse by using adjoint matrix. Okay, formula to find A inverse is A inverse equals to 1 over determinant of A times with adjoint A. ADJ short form for adjoint. Okay, adjoint of matrix A is defined as the transpose of the cofactor matrix, where ADJ adjoint A ni adalah CT. CT means cofactor transpose. Okay, so to find adjoint, we need to find cofactor and transpose answer for cofactor. We go to the first method, finding inverse by using adjoint matrix. Okay, first example, find the inverse matrix for A. Matrix A in 2 by 2 by using adjoint matrix. Okay, for 2 by 2 only, kita gunakan cara sekolah dulu. Ingat lagi tak? Cara nak cari inverse masa sekolah. Okay, saya recall balik. Given matrix A is 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. Kita nak find A inverse, so we use formula for adjoint matrix 1 over determinant of A times with adjoint A. Okay, masa sekolah dulu kamu belajar determinant of A is AD minus BC, and adjoint for A kamu just tukar tempat, D with A, and B and C kita put negatif. Kita hanya tukar tempat je. Okay, ini cara sekolah dulu. Okay, then kita sub masuk value for A, D, B and C. Value for A 3, D is 4, B 1 and C 5. Kita times with D and A, kita change tempat dia, so 4, 3. B and C kita put negative, so negative 1, negative 5. Then we solve, we get 12 minus 5, so we get 7. 4, negative 1, negative 5, 3. Okay, untuk answer for matrices, untuk cari inverse, kita tak boleh biar macam ni kita darab masuk. Okay, so equals to, kita expand 4 over 7, negative 1 over 7, negative 5 over 7, and last 3 over 7. This one answer for A inverse. We go question number 2. Find the inverse matrix of B in 3 by 3 by using adjoint matrix. Okay, untuk cari B inverse menggunakan adjoint matrix untuk 3 by 3, lain formula dengan 2 by 2. Dia sama formula tapi caranya lain. So tengok betul-betul. Now we find B inverse. We use same formula. So 1 over determinant for B times with adjoint B. Okay, now first step, we find determinant for B. Still remember how to find determinant? We choose any one row or any one column. Tips dia, pilih yang ada 0. Okay, now I choose first column. Okay, before that, we take out the sign for cofactor. Okay, then we take out the numbers. So 1, 0, negative 2. Okay, then we put the sign for first column, so plus, minus, plus. Okay, then we take the minor, we close number 1. We close number 1, so we get 2, 2, negative 1, 0. We close 0, and we get 3, 2, negative 1, 0. And we close number negative 2, we get 3, 2, 2, 2. Then we solve minor, so we use AD minus BC. Okay, so direct 0 minus negative 2, this one always 0, minus 2, 6 minus 4. So we get 2 minus 2 times 2. So 2 minus 4, we get negative 2. Okay, now next step, we find adjoint B. How to find adjoint B? Adjoint B is cofactor transpose. Means we must find cofactor first. To find cofactor, we open big bracket and put the sign for cofactor. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This one for minor, this bracket for minor. Okay. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, cofactor is combination of sign and minor. So this bracket for minor. Okay, so now we must close each number. Okay, now number 1 we close. For the first one, we close number 1. So we get 2, 2, negative 1, 0. We close number 3, 0, 2, negative 2, 0. We close number 2, 0, 2, negative 2, negative 1. We close 0, 3, 2, negative 1, 0. We close number 2, 1, 2, negative 2, 0. We close number 2, then we get 1, 3, negative 2, negative 1. And last row, we close number negative 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. We close number negative 1, 1, 2, 0, 2. And last number 0, we close 1, 3, 0, 2. Then put transpose. Okay, then we solve the cofactor. This one minor, so we use AD minus BC. So first 0 minus negative 2. Okay, next negative 0 minus negative 4. And next 0 minus negative 4. Okay, next negative 0 minus negative 2. Okay, this one 0 minus negative 4. And next negative 1 minus negative 6. Okay, then 6 minus 4. Then 2 minus 0. This one negative. And last 2 minus 0. So we close the bracket. And don't forget transpose. Okay, then we solve again. So we get 2, 0 plus 2 is 2. Negative 4. 4. Negative 2. 4. Negative 1 plus 6, 5. So negative 5. 2. Negative 2. And last is 2. Okay, don't forget to transpose. So we get answer CT. Cofactor transpose is 2, negative 4, 4. From row to column. Row to column. And last row to column. Okay, this one answer for adjoint B. Adjoint B is cofactor transpose. Okay, we want to find B inverse. So tak habis lagi, kita nak cari B inverse. Kita start balik 1 over determinant for B, and adjoint B. Okay, determinant for B we find 1 over negative 2. Adjoint B, our cofactor transpose. So 2, negative 2, 2. Negative 4, 4, negative 2. 4, negative 5. And last 2. Okay, don't forget to expand. Kita darab masuk. So final answer we get negative 1, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 5 over 2, and last negative 1. Okay, this one answer for B inverse. Okay, we continue question number 3. Find the inverse matrix of C. this one 3 by 3 by using adjoint matrix. Okay, untuk bagi kamu lagi terror, kita buat lagi soalan inverse untuk 3 by 3 by using adjoint matrix. Okay, C inverse, formula for C inverse 1 over determinant for C times with adjoint C. Okay, first step we find determinant of C. Determinant is choose any one row or any one column yang kamu rasa nak pilih, yang kamu rasa nombor dia senang. Pilihlah mana-mana. Okay, saya pilih last row. Last row, this one. So don't forget the sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So the last row is 1, 1, 3. So put 1, 1, 3. And the sign plus, minus, plus. Okay, don't forget the minus. Okay, first we close number 1, this one, so we get 2, 3, 2, 4. We close number 1, so we get 1, 3, 3, 4. And last, we close number 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Then we solve, this one is minor, so we use AD minus BC. So 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3 times with 2 minus 6. So we get 2 minus negative 5 plus 3 times negative 4. So equals to 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 12, negative 5. So our determinant is negative 5. Okay, now we continue find adjoint C. Okay, adjoint C is C transpose, cofactor transpose, CT. Okay, to find cofactor, we open big bracket, we put the sign with minor. So plus, minor, minus, minor, plus, minor, minus, minor, plus, minor, minus, minor, plus with minor, minus with minor, and plus with minor. Then we close bracket, we put transpose. Okay. Now, we must close each number. So, close number 1, 2, 4, 1, 3. We close number 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. We close number 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. We close number 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. We close number 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. We close number 4, 1, 2, 1, 1. We close number 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. We close number 1, 1, 3, 3, 4. And last, we close number 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Then, we solve. So, we get AD minus BC. So, 6 minus 4. First one. Second, negative. 9 minus 4. Then, 3 minus 2. Negative. 6 minus 3. 3 minus 3, negative 1 minus 2, 8 minus 6, negative 4 minus 9, and last 2 minus 6. Okay, we close the bracket, and don't forget to put transpose. Then we solve again, we get 2, negative 5, 1, negative 3, 0, 1. 2, 5, negative 4. Okay, then we transpose the answer. So we get from row to column or row or column to row. Mana-mana pun boleh. Okay, so 2, negative 5, 1. Negative 3, 0, 1. 2, 5, negative 4. So this one answer for cofactor, transpose. This one answer for adjoint C. Okay, now we want to find C inverse. So 1 over determinant for C times with adjoint C. So determinant for C is negative 5 and our adjoint is 2, negative 3, 2, negative 5, 0, 5, 1, 1, negative 4. Don't forget to expand untuk darab masuk balik. So negative 2 over 5, 3 over 5, negative 2 over 5, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 1 over 5, negative 1 over 5, and last 4 over 5. Okay, so this one answer for C, inverse. So we finish all the example in first method, finding inverse by using adjoint matrix. Okay, this question for your exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask your lecturer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.